Hi guys, my name is Busisi Wenzabe and welcome to All Things B. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this cute little red lip look as well as these cute little curls. So if you're interested, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. No matter how hard it gets, stick your chest out, keep your head up and handle it. So first we're going to need a lipstick brush. A lipstick, of course. Mine is Wet n Wild lipstick. I'll list down the color number in the description box. I like to moisturize my lips with Vaseline. Of course, in the morning when I brush my teeth, I scrub my lips using the toothbrush. So first I'm gonna line my lips using my lipstick and the makeup brush, lipstick brush. Some people prefer using the lip liner, but for me it does the same job, so I just go on and use my lipstick. Just try to be very accurate when you draw the lip line, obviously being led by the shape of your lips. The point of using this brush is not to make a mess, and the fact that it's flat and sharp makes it easier for you to draw around your lip line. After lining my lips, I am going to apply lipstick. Lining is a very important step because it makes it easy for you to apply your lipstick. So I'm going to start with my lower lip and then my upper lip. I prefer using an earbud or a makeup brush that we used earlier to line, just to dab on my lips for the excess lipstick. After applying lipstick, I am going to apply concealer where I feel the need to, if I made any mistakes, overlining, or whatever. So I'm just gonna clean up the mess using the concealer. However, I prefer using my foundation to conceal around my lips. And then finally, you are going to apply some shimmer honey on that Cupid's bow to give it a little bit of a glow and, shape. Now we're going to curl our two low braids using these two hair curlers. I'll list down in the description box below where I bought the curlers and how much they were. So I'm gonna wrap the braid around the curler and then lock it in because the curler is soft. It's made to bend when you need it to. I'm gonna do that and then we are going to boil the hair for 15 seconds max. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other braid. Make sure though that you wrap your braid in the same direction, right? As I'm wrapping it out, not in. Just make sure they wrapped in the same direction, as you can see. So instead of air drying, I used my hair dryer to dry the hair, and then we're done.